Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. TimeShift package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing PPA repo as follows. Run the command below to reflect on PPA, then install TimeShift as shown. Or you can also search on the system search bar or by icon in your UI desktop. TimeShift will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.